In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on iPhone from iCloud. Before you begin, confirm your backup exists. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone, then go to Settings, Chat, then Chat Backup. Here, you see the date and time of your last backup. Make sure the last backup was successful and recent enough for you. Now, let's go to restoration process. First, delete WhatsApp. On your iPhone home screen, tap and hold the WhatsApp icon, select Remove App, then delete the app to completely install it. Now, reinstall the app. Go to the App Store and download WhatsApp again. Now, set up WhatsApp. Open the newly installed app and follow the on-screen instructions. Verify your phone number. Enter the name, phone number you used to create the backup. Now, restore chat history. After verifying your phone number, WhatsApp will detect the iCloud backup and prompt you to restore your chat history. Tap Restore Chat History. Then, complete the process. Wait for the restoration to finish. This may take some time depending on size of your backup. Once complete, your messages and media will be restored to your iPhone. And that's it. That's how to restore WhatsApp backup on iPhone from iCloud.